What's going on, guys? Geo here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I did pick up these Urshifu boxes from the Black Friday sale at Walmart. So I've got two boxes. I've got the Rapid Strike and the Single Strike. And so yeah, I figured we could open these up on the channel, do a little bit of a different video. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, we've got the Rapid Strike box here and the Single Strike box here. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. We do have the promo cards right here. I'm just gonna set those off to the side. We also do have the jumbo card. Not bad, pretty nice. I'll set that to the side. Okay. And it looks like we've got 3 Battle Styles packs. We're gonna have 2 Vivid Voltage packs, those are nice. And the last 3 packs are gonna be 3 Darkness Ablaze. So we are gonna set that to the side. And here's actually the code card for you guys. Go ahead and redeem that. Let me know what you get. Okay, we're gonna move this off to the side. Here's the Single Strike box. Again, promos. We're gonna set those to the side. Then we've got the other jumbo card. Pretty cool. Okay. And again, we've got 3 Battle Styles packs, 2 Vivid Voltage. All right, and then we've got 3 more Darkness Ablaze. Okay. Here's the other code card. Again, redeem this one. Let me know what you get. Okay. Well, let's get into it. Let's see all the packs we've got. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I think we're gonna set our Battle Styles packs to the side. We'll do those last. Okay. Yeah, there's one more. Okay. We'll start off with Darkness Ablaze. We'll go from the oldest set to the newest. So yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and open the Darkness Ablaze pack. Code card for you guys. All right. Okay. We've got Fire Energy. We've got Corv Squire. Semi-Poor, Semi-Sage, Mareep, Panseer, we've got Dino, Q-Font, we've got Wishy Washy, we've got Bound Sweet for the reverse rare, and then we've got Ampharos, just a regular rare, no holo. Okay, we are gonna set our rares and reverse rares there. So far, not too bad. Nothing too crazy. Okay. There's that code card. 4 from the back. Okay. Got Electric Energy. We've got Leyron. We've got Glimwood Tangle. Dartrix, Larvitar, Shelmet, Nickit, Gothita, Vanillite, makes me want some ice cream. We've got Grand Bull for the reverse rare. Then we've got Toxtricity for the holo, nice. Okay, finally got a holo. There's that code card. Okay. We've got Grass Energy. We've got Fletchender. We've got a trainer card, actually an energy card, I'm sorry. We've got Corvusquire, Trapinch, Vanillite, Golett, Pansage, Skitty. We've got Galarian Mr. Sorry about that, guys. I'm having a little trouble with my camera, but these were the last two pulls from the recent pack. We had the reverse rare Dino, and then we had a holographic Blaziken. So we're gonna continue. Yeah, my camera is not wanting to record in 4K, so yeah, that's a problem. But okay, here's the code card. We're gonna go 4 from the back. Okay, we've got Fire Energy. We've got Shiinotic. We've got a big Parasol. We've got Toxapex, Teddy Ursa, Panpour, Shelmet, Squobet, Diglett. We've got the reverse rare Greedent. And the rare, a Salamence V. Nice. Salamence is actually one of my favorite Pokemon. Probably my favorite pseudo. Nice. Okay. We are going into our last Darkness of Ablaze pack. Okay. Got the code card for you. 4 from the back. Okay. We've got Psychic Energy. We've got Piers, Gothorita, Clang, Purloin, Marini, Meltan, Carablast, Sinistea. We've got Manectric for the reverse holo, reverse rare, and the rare. We've got a regular Volcarona, regular rare. Okay. Moving on, we are gonna move into our Vivid Voltage packs. We'll save the Pikachu pack for last. All right, we're gonna go with the Celebi pack. We can open this bad boy. All right, code. Again, let me know what you get. All right, hopefully we can get an amazing rare. Okay, got the Water Energy, Girafarig, Electric, Delmise, Blitzel, Skiddo, Ferroseed, Dedenne, Drillbur. We got Tyno for the reverse rare, and the rare is a Wailord, a holographic Wailord. We got the Big Chungus. Okay, moving on, we're gonna go to one of the Zarude packs. Okay, code card. All right, got Steel Energy. We've got Shuckle, Nuzleaf, Memory Capsule, Wailmer, Tynamo, Execute, Chatot, Clobbopus, another Clobbopus, reverse rare, and the rare, Toucannon. Okay. All right. Going into the last Zarude pack. There's gonna be something in this one. I feel it. Something good. All right. There's the code for you. But yeah, I just wanted to make a different type of video. But I don't plan on doing many TCG openings. But thought I couldn't maybe switch it up a little bit. But here we go. We've got Grass Energy, we've got Dusclops, we've got a Rocky Helmet, Galvantula, Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Cottony, Mudbray. We've got the reverse rare, Choodle, and the rare. Another Toucannon. Man, what's going on here? Okay, got the Pikachu pack. There's the code card for you. Man, I can't believe we haven't really gotten anything yet other than the Salamence. All right, we've got Dark Energy. We've got Alistair, Matang, Kakuna, Execute, Eevee. We've got Woobat, Arrokuda, Seedot. Reverse rare is the Sir Chester Bath. Alright, can we get something good for the last Vivid Voltage pack? Oh, I don't think so. Just a regular holographic Zekrom. Darn. Alright, well, we are actually going to be moving into the last packs, the Battle Styles. Okay. We'll go ahead and start with an Napoleon Pack. All right. Okay, got the code card for you. Move this over a little bit. Okay. All right, got Water Energy, got Pignite, Ablaze, Doppler, Mankey, Horsey, Lickitung, Handler, we got Silly Cobra, reverse rare is indeed, and the rare, Galarian Mr. Rhyme, just a regular rare. Okay, we're gonna go into one of the Urshifu packs. Alright, there's the code card for you. Let's go 4 from the back to the front. Alright. Got Dark Energy. Got Honchkrow, one of my favorite mons. One of my favorite mons right here. Got Perugly. Karina's Focus. Got Bronzor. Salandit. Got Gligar. Voltoy. Electabuzz. The reverse rare is a Pawniard. Okay, and the rare. Nice, we got a Tapu Koko VMAX. Nice. Again, one of my favorite Pokemon. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and set that here. We're gonna go ahead and find that Salamence that we pulled earlier. And we're gonna try and keep that with the Tapu Koko. Alright. Alright, moving into another Urshifu pack. Maybe the Urshifu packs have good luck. Let's find out. There's the code card for you. Alright, 4. We could do a Guess Their Energy. Shout out to Leonhardt. I think he's the one that kind of started that. But, let's go Psychic. No, okay. Alright, we've got Spufa, Luxio, Grumpig, I like the artwork, Honedge, Tepig, fighting on Pignite, nice. We've got Murkrow in the graveyard, okay. We've got a poor little Cubone, we've got Scatterbug, just chilling on a log, I guess. Okay, we've got the reverse rare Carnivine, and the rare, a Drampa, regular rare, okay. Alright, we're going to be moving into an Napoleon Pack again. But yeah, I mean, if you guys do want me to make more TCG card openings, just let me know. I'll be down. There's that code for you. Okay, and I'm not going to lie. When I opened the pack, I did see something. This is something good. I saw shiny cardboard. So, okay, let's go with Fire. No, yeah, there, you see it. Sorry about that. Okay, we've got Steel Energy. We've got Bisharp, Swordward and Shieldbert, Carnivine, Cherubi, Horsey. We've got Murkrow in the graveyard again. We've got Bronzor, Bellsprout, the reverse rare Cherim, and what do we think the rare is? Whoa, I believe this is a secret rare. We got Rapid Strike Style Mustard. Cool. It may be a secret rare, I'm not sure. Maybe a hyper rare. Awesome. We're gonna go ahead and set that over here. Okay, we got another Urshifu pack. And we are down to our last 2 packs. Maybe we can get something good in the last 2. There's a code card for you. Okay, we're gonna go 4. Try to hide it better this time. I know we didn't do Guess the Energy, but that's okay. We got Fire. We got Honchkrow. Phoebe. Shout out to one of my favorite regions. The Hoenn region is king. Changed my mind. We got Weeping Bell. Spearow with a pretty cool looking illustration there. We got Remoraid. Fomantis. Mawile. Mankey. Okay, we've got a reverse rare Weeping Bell in the rare. Galarian Slowbro, just a regular rare. Galarian Slowbro is actually kind of dope, not gonna lie. All right, down to our last pack. Battle Styles with Tyranitar. Okay, come on Tyranitar. Please do not fail us. Code for you. Okay, 4 from the back. All right, we're gonna do guess. I'm gonna say electric. No. Okay, definitely off. All right, another Honchkrow. We've got Camping Gear. We've got Durant, Nianfu. We've got Cherubi, Pachirisu, the Dragon Slayer. Spearow, Remoraid. We've got Gligar for the reverse rare. And the last pack of the day, last rare. What's it gonna be? It's gonna be a Victory Bell. That is a regular rare. Okay, so let's go through all the pulls. Here's all the reverse rares. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy at all. Okay, then our rares. We've got our holos mixed in as well. Okay. And the best pulls of the day. We didn't pull much, so not bad, not bad. And then also, let's get into these. 1 second. All right, we do have the Rapid Strike Urshifu VMAX card promo. We've got the Single Strike Urshifu VMAX promo. And then we've got both of our Urshifu V's, Single and Rapid Strike. Pretty clean cards. Alright, well, I think that is actually going to do it. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the video. Hopefully you guys redeem all those code cards. There's a pretty good amount. So yeah, let me know what you got. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, leave a comment, let me know. And stay tuned, we do daily uploads here.